Hello YouTubers, and today we are going to review the Circuit Maze electric current logic game with 60 challenges, beginner to expert. Complete the circuit to light the beacons and you win. Batteries not included by ThinkFun. Ages 8 to adult, single player. Well, you could have multiplayer too if you want. So let's open this up. Here we go. Okay, so once you open the box, here's what you get inside. And basically you get this big plastic board right here, blue plastic board. You get your deck of challenge cards. You get the instruction manuals. You get the main piece here. We've already put AAA batteries. It needs 3 AAA batteries. And here's the positive contact and the ground or negative contact. And then you have all the plastic pieces. Of the plastic pieces, you have 3 lights: a red light, a green light, and a yellow light. So here we have all the pieces spread out here with all the cards. I believe there's about 60 cards in there, one for each of the challenges, and different plastic pieces with different paths. We have turns, we have 2-way splits, 3-way split, a null piece there, a switcher so you can switch paths, kind of almost like a railroad or train set in a way. And then you have your colors and your positive and negative contacts and all that. So you have all these 4 levels here: green beginner, yellow intermediate, blue advanced, and red expert. And you know, the younger ones could try the beginner ones, and you know, maybe older kids or adults can move up to expert. So there's definitely plenty of challenges with these cards here. So right now we're gonna start out by lighting all the lights, and we first started out with just setting up the positive contact and the negative. And as you can see, they're connected with this cable, and this one already has its 3 AAA batteries in it. And now here's what we're gonna do. We're first gonna split the positive current or charge there. And the reason we have to do this is because the most you could light up in a sequence or in series is 2 lights. In order to get all 3, there has to be a split somewhere down the middle. So we're going to split it off right here. And then we're going to put one on one end, the green. Oops, this snapped out of place. We'll put the red on the other end. Okay, so now we have a pretty symmetrical split there. And then now we will combine in series. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. When you snap the pieces, you gotta pay attention to the positive and ground direction. So since this is originating at the positive, these are kind of neutral. These paths you can put however you want, but once you follow, you gotta make sure that the positive end of the light is in conjunction with the path leading to the positive, and the negative end of the light or ground is in conjunction with the path leading to the ground. So far we've done that with these 2. Now you can do a couple of them in series. Like I said, you can't do more than 2 in series because it overloads the current. It overloads it, but you can do up to 2 in series. So that's what we're doing here. We're putting this yellow and red in series, and then we've split it off here. And then we're almost done here. We're gonna do a little turn on this side. And then we're gonna do another turn. Okay, we're gonna do a straightaway here. And we'll do another turn right here. And this should effectively light all of them. Let's put them on. Here we go. Connect them all. And there you go. This game is safe for for kids. There's no risk of electrocution or anything in this game. You do run the risk of damaging the game if you try to directly connect the ground with the positive charge. So in other words, if I were to do something like this, where I take this piece out and I were to directly connect these two, I won't do it. I'm just showing you. You could cause damage to the batteries. I would have wished maybe for an extra light or some other kind of piece, because it does have quite a few options for paths and stuff like that, but it'd be interesting to have maybe some more lights or something like that. But aside from that, it works well. It's a good challenge. You can really use a lot of logic to solve these things.